Hello guys, welcome to CS Tech Solution. Today's is learn in AWS DevOps. Today's is learn as a 3.1 is a Jacqueline's and subtopics as a 3.1.7 is manage plugins via the CLI. So the first command is installs plugins as this command is installs new plugins in Jacqueline's using command lines, and the examples as a Java as a hyphen jars and Jacqueline's hyphen the CLI dot jars and hyphen s is a comments of the code, and last as a http colons and the double slash localhost colon the 8080, and as a write the installs hyphen the plugin and the plugin names has to write, and the output as installing plugins as git as installing as successfully. Second is list installed plugins. So the this command is display all the plugin is currently installed in a Jenkins. So the use as a Java's as hyphen jar and Jenkins hyphen the CLI dot jar and hyphen s and the http colons and the double slash localhost colon the 8080 and the list hyphen the plugin, and the output is as git give the installs plugins like gits pipelines as mailers ssh. Third is save and restart the Jenkins. So this command is restart the Jenkins is safely as meanings it wait for all the running jobs to finishes before the restarting, and the example as a java's hyphen jars and the Jenkins hyphen the CLI dot jar hyphen s and http colon the double slash localhost colon the IT and the safe hyphen as a restart, and so the output as a restarting the Jenkins is safely and is waiting for the running jobs to as a finish, and the Jenkins is restarted as successfully as to so. And in Jacqueline says another subtopic is 3.1.8 is manage the Jacqueline's job via the CLI. So first command is create a job, as this command is create a new Jacqueline's job using the configuration files as a job hyphen the config.xml, as examples as java hyphen the jars and the Jacqueline's hyphen the CLI dot jars and hyphen s and the http colon the double slash localhost colon the 8080 and the create hyphen job and as a my hyphen the job and is less than the job hyphen the config dot xml, and so the output is a job as single quotes inside the my dash job is created. Second command is export a job configuration, and this command is export the configurations of existing Jacqueline's jobs into XML files, and the examples as javas and hyphen the jars and Jacqueline's hyphen the CLI dot jar and hyphen s and the http colon the double slash localhost colon 8080 and the get des job and as a my dash job and greater than is job dash config dot xml file. So the output is configurations is saved to job dash config dot xml files. Third is update job configurations, and this command is update the existing Jacqueline's job using the modify the XML's configuration files. And the examples as the javas and hyphen jars and the Jacqueline's hyphen the CLI dot jars and the hyphen s and http colon the double slash localhost colon the 8080 and as a update dash job and my dash job and the less than is job dash config dot xml file. So the output is as a job and single quotes inside the my days job is updated as successfully. Another subtopic is 3.1.9 is backups and restore the Jacklins. So the first command is backup the Jacklins, as this command is create a backup to Jacklins homes directory, and which the constant jobs is configurations, plugins, build histories and the system settings. So the example as use as CP and hyphen R and the dollar signs and the Jacqueline's underscore home is a capital letters and dash, as a slash at the backup slash Jacqueline's underscore dollars and brackets inside as a date plus as a percentage F is a capital letter and the counts close. So the output is a backup is complete in colons and the slash backup slash Jacqueline's and underscore as a 2026 dash as a 03 is a month and as a dash 09 is date. And second command is restore the Jacquelines, as this command is restore the Jacqueline's data from backup directories to Jacqueline's homes directory. And the examples as a CP and hyphen R's and slash as a backup slash Jacqueline's underscore as a date is to write and slash stars dollars and Jacqueline's underscore home is a capital letter. So the output is restoring the Jacqueline's files and restores as completed as successfully. Thank you guys to watch the videos. Please subscribe the channel, on the notification and bell icon.